Welcome to the episode of Locked In. In this episode, I'm going to be telling you how a lot of stuff has changed since the video you just watched. That's why this video is out so closely to the other one. So there's been a big update with Grinduro as far as weather goes, so it's changed my clothing strategy a little bit. Now onto the bicycle. I painted this thing last minute, and I'm surprised how well it came out for how little time I actually spent on it. I might be doing a video in the near future on this channel, so make sure to turn notifications on how to do essentially a paint job in 2 to 3 hours. I really didn't spend a whole lot of time on this. I didn't even break the bike apart all the way because it was so close to Grinduro. I didn't want to have any issues with readjusting anything last minute. And I knew that my setup was functioning perfectly before, so I just didn't want to risk it. And it actually worked out really, really well. As you're watching all this beauty shots right now, you can see I did a custom splatter paint job with essentially the Fade Gang colors, similar colors that I use on the Poseidon. So now kind of all my bikes have a similar color scheme, which is cool, but all very, very different, which I really like. And then I hit it with a pearl clear coat to give it that kind of slight color shift you can see there. And I am absolutely in love with how this bike looks. It's running the same exact components that you saw in the previous video of my bike setup for Grinduro. Nothing's changed, minus just the killer paint job that I put on this thing, and I can't be more excited to ride this at Grinduro, and it's going to be looking so good with my Kai Venture handlebar bag as well, and all the other stuff that we're working on. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to be posting more stuff the day of and during the Grinduro week, basically, because I'm going to be up there a little early, as well as turn notifications on so you can see all the videos I'm going to be producing. I know I put out a lot this week to update you guys because this is essentially the biggest event I've done so far, and I'm really excited and super nervous. And make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching another episode of Locked In.